Welcome to the how-to guide to Class Dojos. When you download the Class Dojo app for the first time, you will need to create a login. If you have other children and are already using the app, just open it. It will look like this. Along the bottom, you see various sections. The Stories section. This is the class story, and these are visible to all users in the class, as are any comments that you or the teacher makes. The Beyond section is for home use. Initially it's free for 7 days, so you might want to have a look around, but after that it requires a subscription. There is also a button for messages and notifications too. In the centre is the Kids button. Click here to add your child. You can add your child via the parent code sent to you in the welcome pack, or by connecting through the school, which we will do in a moment. If you already have children on the app, you can add additional children to the same login. This enables you to use the school and home features. If you have a parent code that was sent to you via your teacher, you can enter it here. Or you can find the teacher. First, you need to enter the school name, and then select your child's teacher. Finally, enter the first and last name of your child as it is registered in the school. If you add the middle name or the nickname of your child, you may not get connected. These can be modified later. Then that's it. A request will be sent to your teacher and you'll have to wait for their response. They will see a notification the next time they use their app, and they will be able to connect you to the class. Once connected, you will be able to enter the app and you'll see a monster down at the bottom. This is the avatar for your child. Click here and you will see more of the child's avatar and their name. Click on your child and you'll be able to see a summary of any points. You can award points at home using the Beyond section and also set goals. These will not be seen by the school, only you and your family who are connected to that child. Click on the classes and you will see the class that your child is connected to. Click family and you will see yourself. And you have the option to add other family members via separate emails. They can download the app and connect in the same way you have done. Clicking on the rewards and you will see various things. These are linked to the Beyond section and they will only be opened through a subscription. In the messages section, you should have a message from your teacher inviting you to connect your child to your account. The messages are directly between you and that member of staff. No one else can see them apart from the school Class Dojo administrator. Click the link and the login link will open. Click again and it will open the internet browser on your device. You can access your child's account at home via this address at the top using your login, and that will work on any computer or Wi-Fi connected device. However, if you return to the app and click in the corner, you will see your child has now been added to it. Click on this and enter the student version of the app. They can see the class stories and see their dojo points. The activity button is the next section to look at, and this is the key to your child's completing the homework and interacting with the class teacher directly. Clicking on the activity button in the student version of the app and you will see a to-do list. These are activities that are sent to your child by your class teacher. Select a task. Instructions may be in writing, a picture, or even a video. Start the worksheet and the interactive interface opens. On the left, you will see 4 tabs. Click on the ABC tab and click the worksheet. And your child can now use the keyboard feature, like this. You can change the colour of the text. You can also enlarge and shrink the text by pinching the box. Using the pencil tab, and your child can use the touch screen or on the computer, the mouse, to draw or write. This takes some practice. If you want to erase, use Mojo's Eraser tab. Typing is clearer for now. And I can change the colour too. The typed writing cannot be erased. It can be moved around and, if necessary, placed into the bin. You can also use the undo feature. This will undo any of the things that you've done in the writing using your finger or the mouse or the erasing tabs. The final tab is for pictures. The best way to learn these features is to have a go and play. I'm sure your child won't have any issues with that. Click Done when you're finished. And you can go back in to edit, or if you've finished completely, click the send arrow. You have now sent the worksheet to the portfolio section, and your teacher will get a notification when they next look at their app. The teacher can approve the post, send it back, or delete it if sent in error. They can also add feedback. There is a draft version still available to edit, but once you come out of it, the task leaves the to-do list. You can also create new content. These can be utilised for evidence in homework, but your child may want to create other things to show their learning or send messages to their teacher. The video and photo link to the camera on your device. The journal can be used to send voice recordings, photos, or a worksheet, as seen before. Again, these can be sent to your teacher. Finally, in the settings section, there is a language facility that uses Google to translate messages and posts into over 30 languages. Some family members might find this useful. And that's it. Any questions or problems, please direct message your teacher or contact the school office and we will try to help you. I hope you enjoy using Class Dojos.